So, like I was saying, the next project was the 1995 60 SEC. So we're running a 12 volt power cable for the amplifier right here. So like I said, I already installed the Pioneer Bluetooth head unit. Nice, because it has a built-in phone mount. So if I take this out, I can hide this phone mount. Right, and now it's like that. This is the microphone. I'm actually gonna rewire it on that side. So here we have the entire interior taken apart on the passenger side. This is the amplifier I'm installing. MTX Thunder monoblock. It's gonna power two 12-inch subs in the back. I've already changed the speakers in the car. Up here, mid-ring door panel, two-way 6.5 in the back, left and right, mid and tweeters. So instead of running the power cable and the RCA input for the amplifier just randomly through here, normally they go to the rocker panel. Well, in the Mercedes, when the carpet is fully installed like this, there's no room to run it. So if you put a cable here, just say this one here, and you run it through like this, how you normally people would do it nowadays. You can't. There's no room here to run this and the 12 volt power cable. Then the carpet actually won't be seated properly and get hooked up into its grooves here. Okay, so I'm doing it properly. This is the passenger side. So this is where the actual factory audio cables are coming through this channel right here. So this is the cover. Normally cover like this. So I'm running it through the same channel, OEM style. Here's my 12 volt coming from the front battery. RCA cable is gonna go through here, into the back channel here, right where the Becker car audio wires are coming from, back in and plug into the Pioneer head unit. Behind that, and then took out the entire seat. Because underneath here, let's take this, is the channel for the factory audio cables. See how this was done in 1990? The car actually was designed in the 1970s and came out in 1980, 81. And this is the same method they used in 80 and up to 91, and even afterwards in the 90s. So this channel here, I open this plastic right here, running it through the same channel as the factory wiring. So this here was the panel that I removed. Go like that. So remove that, 2 screws. Coming through here. So following the same channel through here, in this hole here, through here, running it up here, and soon I'm going to remove the back seat because it runs through the back seat along the back firewall. In the Mercedes, the gas tank is actually between the trunk and the back seat, not at the bottom. Okay, it's gonna come through here, behind this cover, basically. Okay, and then I'm gonna install my amp right there, and cables coming into the amp and the MTX audio, two 12-inch subs. Yep, that's how we do it. Popper. Alright, so let's get this finished up. And I'm going to vacuum here a little bit once I put the seat back. And the audio system of the car is going to sound sweet. So here's the completed Mercedes SEC stereo audio project. So we can see here we ran the positive cables nicely. It's all sealed. weatherproof. And I moved the fuse up here because you want the fuse to be as close as possible to the source. So in case the amp draws more amperage than it's supposed to, and this thing overheats, it will short right there as soon as it gets to power. But then it won't short anywhere in the back. But the power will get cut off right here outside of the car. So then we will save the car from any fire. Okay, if you come along now, so we can see here. Proper, right? So see that? So clean, no wires, no mess, no nothing, no amplifier. So where's the amplifier? So I put it in the factory amplifier spot right here. So this car had the upgraded audio from Mercedes, but it didn't have a trunk CD changer. And the trunk CD changer needs another tuner in behind here. So this is another spot for an audio equipment in the Benz configuration. So this is where the amp is behind this. So it's hidden. You can't even see it. It's already locked up. I'm not going to open it up. So amplifier goes back into the factory spot. Boom. If I need to retune the amplifier, I can unhook here and take this carpet off and get into the amp. But it's already tuned. No cables, no nothing. It's clean. Professional finish right here.